It's something wrong. Good morning, you guys. I'm too bright. So anyway, today's Vlogmas. Ano lang. Kahit ano-ano lang kasi I just got home from work. As you know, you guys, I have line in here because of the hairnet that I put in there. Ooh, too bright. So I have with me and Sophie, the cat, and she wanted to go outside, but it's still dark. The weather here in Arkansas is like I don't know. Today is it's not hot, but it's really nice, like 52 degree. So what do you want? She keep rubbing. What do you want? She wants something, but I don't want her to let her go outside. So magpalit muna ako, you guys, and do something. Mamaya ulit ako mag-vlog kasi kakarating ko lang, kailangan kong maligo at saka mag-get ready kasi na-drop ko yung anak ko sa school this morning. Every morning, i-drop ko siya. So, yan. Oh my gosh. Hindi mahirap ma-explain. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm going to wake up my daughter because she's still in bed. And she need to get shower and get ready for school. Also, sometimes she's just oversleep. Oh, mayroon pala akong yun na naka-sit up for premiere. Pero I think I'm gonna cancel it and just schedule it for uploading it later because parang hindi ko kayang stay in there. And wala namang masyadong mag-attend, kaya I'm just gonna reschedule it. So I will do it that now before I forgot. So guys, lulutuin natin to at saka ito. So, punta ako sa baba, you guys. Good morning. Good morning. So, right now, punta ako sa baba. Gumawa ko ng hot cake. Matagal na ako hindi nakagawa ng hot cake kasi I remember sa Pilipinas pa. So, by the way, kakauwi ko lang galing sa trabaho. So, yan, ng haggard face. Try ko lang to siya, guys, mag-work ba. Sobrang sarap you guys. Kasi ang ano lang, yung hotcake kong parang pancake din kasi thick siya. So, dapat 10. So, na ano ko siya, na kapalan. So, masarap pa din. Morning you guys. So, bababa ako ulit. I'm going to downstairs para magluto ng pancake. Kasi yesterday guys, I feel like yung hot cake na ginagawa ko is pancake. Kaya, nauumay na ako sa pancake. Pero this time, I want very quick one kasi parang ano na, 6:49. So, may kaunti pa kaming time. So, ito na lang ang ano ko. Oh, hindi pa to siya bukas. This one. I'm gonna ask my mother-in-law because this is her. Hi, Mom. Ito yung gawin natin you guys. Yung Kodiak cakes. Gusto ko yung amoy niya. Kasi parang hindi ko alam amoy mayaman. So, ito yung gawin natin. I miss this step. I rip all the things here that not supposed to rip off. Ito siya. So, all we need is just add water. 1 cup and 3/4 cup of water. Just water, all that's we need with it. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Ang lamig sa labas, you guys. Kaya, for the first time, ginagamit ko na yung, ano, ano-ano. Ginagamit ko na yung na-distract ako. Ginagamit ko na yung jumpsuit na pang trabaho kanina kasi I really need it. Kasi ang lamig sa loob, sa labas. So hindi ko maintindihan. So I need 1 cup measurement para sa at saka gunting. Favorite ni anak kaya lulutuin natin to. Just only a couple minutes. Gusto ko yung amoy niya. Where I'm getting this that I have this jar. Just this because it's look big. Okay, 1 cup. And then 3/4 of water. Hello you guys. So, kakaway ko lang galing sa sa store. Nagpunta ako sa Rose at saka sa bank. Oh my god, yung face ko sobrang haggard kasi inaantok na ako you guys. Tapos hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang busy doon. Then ayaw kong ma-distract ako sa paglakad or pag-drive kasi so, I don't know. Na-notice ko lang this day. Sobrang traffic. So, I gotta go, guys. And I see you and talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.